whisper drifts through silver dawn. The sound of the timepiece hands, ton-ton, it hums through my mind. Every heartbeat feels like sand slipping slow through the hours' design. Shadows curl beneath the light, dreams unravel into white, and I can hear the song of tide like rain that never truly dies. Oh, the sound of time, it calls my name. 1,000 echoes, they sound the same. Moments fall like stars unseen between the clocks and my dreams. Tick-time, drift away. I lose myself in yesterday. Pinches fate's design, gentle hands pull threads of time. Every sigh a secret rhyme, written softly in the night sky's chime. In the hush I feel you near, your memory hums within my ear. Even silence learns to sing when time forgets what tears can. Oh, the sound of time, it holds me close. In every tick, your shadow glows. Dreams keep turning slow and kind between the hours we left behind. Floating through a sea of clocks, time melts down, the world unlocks. The ton-ton hum becomes my heart, beating soft as the night departs.